So first I'm going to start out with my Anastasia brow pomade, and I'm just shaping out my eyebrow, filling it in with the pomade in its natural shape. And then I'm going to go in with my concealer, and I'm just going to begin to carve out my brow. Now I am going a little lighter today just because I want to really give my eyebrow a pop. Now I'm just using the excess concealer that I have, and I'm just blending it out and then beginning to pack on any extra concealer on my actual eyelid so that I can have a nice base. And then I always take my time blending out the concealer just because I don't want any harsh lines. Y'all, me and this Morphe palette have been through it. Like, this is literally my go-to for eyeshadow. And I'm just going to use this brown color just to keep it nice and natural. And then we're going to give this natural eye look some flavor. We're going to go ahead and wing it out. And you see I outlined it, and now I'm just filling it in. Now that my face is moisturized and my eyes are done, I'm just going to begin to put the Smashbox primer right into my skin just so that I have flawless foundation application. And then I'm going to use the Anastasia foundations today, and I'm just going to mix both of these shades to get the perfect color for me. And I always go a little darker just so that I have room for a highlight. When I'm doing some natural quick glam, I just like to take my beauty blender and press the foundation into my skin. And now that my foundation is flawless, I'm going to pack in the concealer right under my eyes. And doing this method is just going to help me to conceal any bags I may be having under my eye. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye and then any of the highest points of my face. And now, following my highlight, I'm going to go ahead and contour my face with cream foundation. Now, keeping in mind, this is natural glam, so this type of face shouldn't take you more than 20 minutes. And then you're just going to go ahead and blend out the contour into the highlight. Talking about serving skin, like, look at that, and that's before the powder, okay. I'm going to use my setting powder in the color Banana just to go ahead and set all of the highlighted areas I did. And I love carving out my cheekbones, so I always go a little heavier on the powder right in this area. Doing this extra step just really brings out the contour, and I just love the way that looks. Like, you can really see it coming together, and I'm really just loving all of these Anastasia products. They're really starting to become one of my favorite brands, honestly. And then I'm going to go in with my MAC pressed powder, and then I'm just going to dust away any excess powder I may have on my face and bring some warmth back to my skin. And then doing this step is going to help to bring the highlight and the contour together so that it's just not looking like light and dark spaces on your face. And then I'm just going to go ahead and use a smaller brush to set the powder for the contour on my nose. And then we're going to use the Naiya Lash from QueeTeeFaces collection. And that's a lash, okay? And then I'm just going to spray my face with the Morphe setting spray. And then I'm going to go ahead and begin to use my blush, making sure that I'm smiling so that I'm able to get the apples of my cheeks. And I'm just really bringing out my cheekbones. Let me tell y'all, like, I've spent some money on glow kits, on all these different high-end glows, and I'm telling you, like, no highlighter is like the Wet n Wild one. This one is literally my favorite, and it's so affordable. Like, look at this glow. Like, I'm really obsessed. Like, this is one of my favorite steps. So anybody that really knows me knows that I love a good red lip color. So I wanted to do like a holiday vibe. So I'm outlining with this purple lip pencil. I've had this forever, y'all, and I really don't know what the brand of this lip pencil is. But it's like this deep purple, and I'm just outlining my lips before I start applying the red lipstick. Now you want to make sure you hit all the corners, and then I'm going in with like this burgundy-ish color, you know, just to warm up that color. And then right on top, I'm going to go in with this Fenty red in the color Stunna. And I'm just going to go ahead and set this lip color off, okay? Like, y'all, look at this red. And I love how it was like an accent color to my Christian Bae hoodie. Like, it's a look. So yeah, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'm going to keep bringing y'all new content, so y'all stay posted.